Welcome! Today I'm working with dried flowers and resin. I'm using bezel settings made by SupplyDiva. These bezels are available in copper, brass, bronze, and nickel silver. I have pre-mixed my resin. If you'd like to know more about how I've mixed this resin, check out our other videos. Today I'll be working with our bronze bezel settings. I already have my dried leaves and flowers arranged in my bezel settings. I begin by dropping my resin into the settings slowly, pushing towards the edges. I want to make sure my resin makes good contact with the bezel. The resin might move your dried flowers around, but you can adjust their location with your stir stick or a toothpick. Make sure your resin fully covers the organic material inside the bezel. You want your organic materials to be nice and dry. If they are still moist, you might develop air bubbles. Another option would be to seal them with a lacquer or acrylic spray. If your piece seems like it has a lot of bubbles in it, you can use a small butane torch or hair dryer to remove them. Just be careful that all of your organic material is already covered in resin before you try this. I like the shape of this mini spatula because it makes it easy for me to spread the resin to the edges. You can always add another layer after the first is cured. I like to do that to give my finished piece more of a dome. Be sure not to overfill your bezels. If you do, or if resin spills over the sides, you can carefully wipe the resin off while it's still malleable. The same goes for your work surface. Once you've finished filling your bezel settings with resin, follow the instructions for your resin. The one I use takes about a day to dry. Alright, all of these have had time to cure. They're looking pristine and shiny. The oval bezel was nice and deep, perfect for capturing the 3D quality of the flowers and leaves. Our diamond bezel was also able to handle bigger flowers. These rectangles are perfect for long earrings or just as little charms, and I think the leaf looks really good in them. These are really beautiful. I can't wait to wear one. I hope this video inspired you to get crafty.